for showing such eagerness in promoting a brighter fortune for the future generations, although the current generation is strolling through the dark. The delegate of France would like to draw your attention to clause 3, subclause A. This clause is a clear example of the sensitivity and consideration of this delegate. Through this clause, the less economically developed countries will be able to adopt renewable facilities to produce their own green energy, since this clause mentions a creation of a more affordable way of creating green energy. However, also, this clause shows that the more economically developed countries and the highly economically developed countries will also enhance their green facilities, since they will have more money to spend on cheaper facilities. In conclusion, this resolution has firm and practical ideas. Nevertheless, this resolution would not be complete unless it considered that many countries do not have the flexibility in order to acquire such green energy facilities, and thus would be left behind, widening the economic developmental gap. Yet, this resolution has both schemes and plans which consider this fact and promote green industry in light of the current economic crisis. Quoting, "Ohana means family. Family means that nobody is left behind, and all of us should face this as a family." Reload the stage.